Nowadays, it's common to see a container ecosystem in the applications in the cloud because it provides an isolation level process for each container. It means that each container will have its own environment and won't conflict with another environment for another container. Example, what happens when you have to maintain two different projects with the same language but different versions? It is the time where the dev container knocks the door and says, "Don't worry, I keep your back." Dev container maintain the value of containerized application in development stage. Next, I will show you how to install dev containers in VSCode and migrate an existing application to dev containers.
Starting with dev container, all you need is a Docker instance access. In my case, I have WSL with Docker Desktop and VSCode, of course. I'm here in my folder project. This is not a project per se, just a folder with several Python files and some TXT files and so on. Fine. So I'm here. I will start the code. Fine. Here we go. Here we have several Python folders. It's not related. Just a folder with several Python files. So for starting with the container, all you have to do here in VS Code is go to the extensions and search for the containers. Here we go, click. In my case, I already have installed. When you already have installed the container extensions, you can use right now. I will press the keys Ctrl, Shift, and P and type dev containers and click on this option. With this option, I will see that the container extension will show me several options, several templates to create a container. I will search for my interest is Python 3 developed applications. Now I can see, and you can see too, the different versions supported in dev containers. I will use this for by default the 3.12. You can select more options here. Right now I will leave this empty. Click OK. And I can see here that the container is built in a README container. The window will reload, and I can see here that the container is building right now. You can see here a new folder called dev container. Inside, there is the definition of the container, the name, and the image used. And let me show you this. A new terminal. This path is from the container. This file system is shared with the file system of this folder. Let's open this. Hello TXT. Welcome to the container. I won't save now, just to show you the content of this file. And if I save and I type again, I can see the change in my local file system and in the Docker file and in the container file system too. Let's check this. I will check the Python version here, and I have Python 3.12. In my local environment, in my Windows system for Linux, let's check this too. I have a different version here. So because in my case I need this version of Python, and it will conflict with this version of Python in my local environment. All my containers are stopped. So when I start the code, the VS Code again, so I will reopen this folder in container, reopening container. So the container is already running. Well, you already have a dev container for your software project. Let me know if you have any questions about this. I would love to know what you think about this approach. See ya!